Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Firstly, happy Chhat Puja to all. Let's start our interesting session. The first is, what is the name of the investor centric portal recently launched by the Ministry of Ayush? The answer is Ayush Nivesh Sarthi. Here are some interesting facts about this portal. Recently, the Government of India launched the Ayush Nivesh Sarthi portal during the Ayush Stakeholder and Industry Interaction Meet at Vanijya Bhavan in New Delhi. It is a dedicated digital platform for investors developed by the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Neuropathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy in collaboration with Invest India. It aims to boost India's traditional wellness systems as a strong economic sector. The portal combines policy details, incentive schemes, ready to invest projects, and real time assistance in one interface. The next is, which state government has established the Great Flamingo Sanctuary? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Here are some interesting facts about this Great Flamingo Sanctuary. Recently, the Tamil Nadu government declared a Great Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi in Ramnathpuram district. It lies within the ecological important Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. Greater Flamingo is a pink, large, wandering bird found across Africa, Western Asia, and Southern Europe. It lives in shallow, salty wetlands and breeds in lagoons and mudflats. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, it is the it is of least concern. The next is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. In short, PMEGP is a credit linked subsidiary scheme managed by which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Here are some interesting facts about this ministry. Recently, the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, in short KVIC, under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, in short MSME, disbursed rupees 300 crore as margin money subsidiary to 8,794 beneficiaries. This was done under the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, in short PMEGP. The PMEGP is a central sector scheme launched in August 2008 to create jobs by supporting micro enterprises in rural and urban non-farm sector. It is a credit linked subsidiary scheme managed by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, in short MSME. The next is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched the Waste Picker Enumeration Act under which scheme? The answer is Namaste scheme. Here are some interesting facts about this scheme. Recently, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched the Waste Picker Enumeration Act under the National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem. In short, Namaste scheme to empower waste pickers. This digital platform will identify and support waste pickers by giving them formal identity, health insurance, skill training, and livelihood access. Namaste scheme now aims to enumerate to 2.5 lakh waste pickers and integrate them into India's formal sanitation and circular economy systems. The last but not least, what is the name of the plant recently planted by the Prime Minister on World Environment Day? The answer is Sindoor. Here are some interesting facts about this plant. Recently, the Prime Minister of India celebrated World Environment Day by planting a Sindoor sapling at his official residence, 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, New Delhi. The Sindoor plant, scientifically known as Bixa aurelinga, is a small tropical shrub famous for its bright red seeds. It is commonly called Anato in English and Sindoor plant in Hindi. It is generally found in tropical region of Central America. It grows well in moist soil, preferring natural uh, sorry, preferring neutral of slightly alkaline types. This is all in this session. For more for more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.